Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone, I'm from Go5. So today we are going to present our new product development which is smart heater. First of all, let me introduce our group members. We have 5 members in our group, which is first Kristina binti Munawan, second Nur Akila Ilana binti Jamaluddin, third which is me, Fatihah Zahira binti Muhammad Foizi, fourth we have Rashidah binti Muhammad Zaini, and the last one is Nur Nadira binti Muhammad Alif Haikal Chiong. Next, in this slide, I'm going to present the introduction of our product. Traveling is a fantastic method to gain a lot of life experience. Having that, it is important to have a complete preparation so that it does not cause us trouble when traveling. For example, clean water for drinking or other use is one of the most crucial items to pack when traveling. People typically bring their water with them when they travel in either a regular water bottle or a thermos if they wish to bring along some warm or hot water. However, in which heat loss or gain through conduction, convection, and radiation has been minimized. It is solely used to keep hot liquid hot and cool liquid cool for an extended period of the time. As a result, we produce this smart heater product that have advantage of technology that make user can get the hot water easily, especially when traveling. Next, the problem statement. The current market that has kind of similar to our product, which is thermos, where it only can remain the temperature of the water. Therefore, this can lead to the risk of many problems. The first problem is the hot water will lose the heat in a long time. As a result, users need to reheat the water in easy way for their use. Instead of wasting energy to bring kettle just to reheat and boiling this water, it is easy for user by using smart heater that are not only can remain the heat water as normal thermos, but at the same time, it is also can reheat and boiling the water. Besides, the second problem is hard to get the hot water, especially when traveling. For example, a mom, they need to use the hot water to make a milk for their baby. Not only for a mom, a traveler also can save their time by using the smart heater instantly and keep the hot water anywhere at any time.
Next, we move on to the methodology part. This study will focus to solving the problem of getting hot water while traveling and water loss it is after a long period of time by replacing old thermos product with a new product with functional advancement by introducing the new product called smart heater. It is to tackle the problem simply by addition of a heater function to heat the water. The main idea is this product, which is a thermos that will be able to heat the water easily by adding the water into the smart heater and push the button, and this product will heat the water until it's automatically turned off. This product and its design development will aim to satisfy our target market needs and expectations. In order to grasp the ideal model of a product, a feasibility study is conducted along with gathering feedback from our target market. Questionnaires will be put together relevant information about product features, price preference, market potential, and also product promotion. From there, we collect all of the feedback from a diverse range of demographic and backgrounds to get a general idea to what to expect before manufacturing the final product. We choose different types of household income classifications such as B40, M40, T20 to get an overview of the problems and suggestions about the new product. In addition, we also conduct research to analyze and validate our previous data collection method.
Hi, my name is Nur Akila Ilana binti Jamaluddin. Now I'm going to proceed with the limitation. Every study might have limitations. There may be limits to a study because how it was designed or done, which may affect our study results. The first limitation arises is the way the data are collected. Because this product is for travelers, it is hard to guess how many people use it. The following limitation relates to our questionnaire. The number of respondents to our survey was insufficient, and it is possible that some of them provided dishonest feedbacks and responses.
Moving on to end-ready process. there are 5 steps to be done in new product development. The first step is to do research and development, which consists of idea generation and idea screening, whereby consumer trend canvas also included in this step. The second step is to design the product based on the idea given by the team members. Next, to develop the concept of the product and do testing through a survey. Then, to sketch and describe the product. Lastly, to do market tests based on aspects such as product and services, pricing, and branding. There are lots of ideas that came up from our group members. However, we have taken these 3 products into consideration for our new product development project. For the idea generation in research and development, the first idea for our product is Smart Heater. This Smart Heater is an upgraded water thermos with a new innovation that can heat up the water. It is much more convenient as it is easy to bring anywhere, especially when you are traveling. The Smart Heater consists of a heating plate at the bottom inside the thermos, which made from a heating element that can reheat the water by only pressing the button provided. Our second idea is 3-in-1 tumbler. It is a bottle that can stir, sip, and seal. The user can self-stir the water by pressing the stir button on the outer bottom part of the bottle. After self-stirring the water, the user can consume the water and seal the temperature of the water due to the stainless steel construction of the bottle. The last one is a wireless laptop charger. This wireless laptop charger allows the battery to be charged without a cable or plug. The user can place their laptop on a specialized pad or surface that is part of the wireless charging device, and then the laptop is able to be charged wirelessly. So we decided to choose Smart Heater as this product has caught our interest since there are problems in the community, especially when travelers and people who is going out for a long time. Next, during the idea screening, we found that low cost of making Smart Heater is another reason why we choose this product. The production of the Smart Heater costs usually include the cost of supplies and raw materials used in making a product, as well as the cost of labor, which is a very important thing to think about when making a product. This consumer trend is ultimately driven by this rarely changing basic consumer needs, which is relevant, healthy lifestyle, and simple positive effect. Relevance is when the full experience of a product, brand, or cause to which can connect, and it is also an experience that not only changes minds, but more crucially affects behavior and maintains that change. Then, it also drives the change in terms of technological advancement and local lifestyles. A healthy lifestyle consists of a pattern of health-promoting activity based on available personal choices. Simple positive effects where there are any beneficial effects that a product or service has on a consumer's interaction with it. The current product, which is the ordinary water heater, is not only suitable for travelers, as it is difficult to handle the water heater at certain times. The drivers of change from the current system can be divided into two categories. The first one is the shift, which is the long term, and the second one is trigger, which is the short term. In the context for the long term, the new product, smart heater, will save costs where the element that was used is mainly high quality and long lasting. Then, it is also an easy life challenge, especially when it comes to find the hot water or warm water when traveling. In the aspect of application, which customer group could apply this trend to? It must be carefully considered which existing and future customer groups with regard to this component. The innovations and the trend are relevant. People who struggle to get hot water while traveling are the major audience for this invention. The majority of them would need to locate a port in order to acquire or boil their water because the voyage time might be unpredictable. In addition, as our product innovates existing technologies, one of our target consumers is also parents of young children. Parents would no longer have to worry about where to find hot water while traveling or even when they are away from home. Hot water is a must when you have babies, thus this invention will be very helpful to parents. In the aspect of innovation potential, we made the decision to develop a smart wireless water heater with useful features after examining the problems and consumer trends. We provide a thermos flask with a heater plate inside it that, after being charged for a few hours, enables the thermos water to be heated wirelessly.
Next, this is our product design. As you can see, there have a lot of components in this smart heater to be function, such as button, heating plate. And at the back view, we have a charging port, and for the bottom view, we have a battery.
Next is the concept development and testing, which can be divided into three. First is the purpose of the test. The ultimate focus of the test is to determine how consumer will respond to new product development or innovation. The test is conducted to gauge the consumer high demand. Additionally, the test is run to ensure that the concept definition and the product actual manufacturing are consistent. Second is the survey population. This survey is being conducted for our target market, which includes all societies such as workers, students, travelers, and even unemployed. And third is this survey format. This product concept testing survey will be conducted using Google Form, which is an online form. This study targeted respondents who enjoy traveling, such as students, lecturers, and citizens who would be interested in this new product. Consequently, one of the primary aims of the product testing is to ensure that the new product fulfills particular requirements. Many products must comply with standards before they may be sold or used by users.
I will then move on to the product sketch and description. As seen in the image, the shape of our product is a cylinder because the production cost of a rectangle is significantly higher than the cylinder. It is also simple to carry around. There is also a small button in front of the product to turn on or off the power. Meanwhile, there is a charging port on the back of the product that is linked to an external power supply. On the inside of the product, there is a heating plate that serves as a water heating element. Heat generated by the battery is channeled to the heating plate and the water becomes hot through conduction. Last but not least, there is a rectangular shaped battery compartment on the bottom of the product that keeps cells in place safely and securely, at the same time transferring power from batteries to the product.
Before launching the product, which is Smart Heater, we have decided to initially introduce our product at the online platform. And based on the pie chart, we can see that the result is most respondents voted 74% yes for their opinion if our product are helpful for them. This survey brings good and positive feedback towards our new product because we designed the new product and also the new system.
For the pricing, the pie chart shows the percentage of respondents regarding to the satisfaction with the pricing of our product Smart Heater. Based on the pie chart, there have about 41% that are satisfied with the price 80 ringgit of the Smart Heater. Besides, there also have 46% that are neutral with the price. Meanwhile, the rest only 30% that are not satisfied with the Smart Heater with price 80 ringgit. As a result, from the pie chart above, it clearly shows that most of the respondents are neutral about the satisfaction of the pricing for our product, with the highest percentage in the pie chart, which is 46%.
Addition on the Smart Heater, which are LED temperature display and automatic steering technology. Lastly, for the branding, the figure here represents the percentage of respondents regarding their opinion about the suitable brand name for our Smart Heater product. Based on this data, majority of the respondents, which is about 47.5%, have opinion with the brand name of Heater G for our Smart Heater. Besides, 27 respondents agree with brand name as WaterGo. Not only that, 17.5% of the respondents have opinion to name our Smart Heater product as Travel W. Meanwhile, the least percent of respondents in this question, which is the suitable name brand for our smart product, is Black Tea with only 8.1%. So, we decided to put name on our Smart Heater as Heater G. That's all from our group. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.